ha ha ha. All right. All right, guys, how about that? This neighbor is gonna be so excited. He has reached out to me and told me about this mole that was in between him and his neighbor's yard. And I can show you the video that I shot earlier this morning. He has just been tearing up Jack. He has just destroyed this area of their yard. So I walked it down. It's been probably about an hour and a half to 2 hours. I came back once or twice to check on him, and here he is. So this little fella is gonna head to the motel, and then he will find his new home. All right, God bless you all from the Mole Eliminator. I would love to teach you how to catch your moles. Check out my videos with tutorials, and I can teach you. God bless you all. All right, guys, this place is quite a disaster. There are mole runs everywhere. This place over here, it looks a little fresher. I'm gonna start walking all this stuff down and walk him down flat, come back and see where he's at. How about that? We shall see. All right, guys, I'm letting my little buddy go to his new home today. Got him out of somebody's yard, releasing him out where he won't be tearing up somebody's yard out here. So let's let him go. All right, little buddy, go find your new home. Go find you some worms.